Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to chat with a Facebook support team. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, you're going to want to open up your Messenger app. Okay. Now, if you're using a computer, just got to open up your computer and log into messenger.com. Now, once you're in here, you have Ask Meta AI or search. Okay. Just got to tap on it. Now, what you do is just got to find Meta. Okay. Or Meta support. Just like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide my keyboard. As you can see, we have the Meta Pay support and the Meta Business support. So just go ahead and tap on Meta Business support and just write down your query. All right. And once done typing your query, you can just go ahead and tap on send and just wait for a reply. That's basically it. That's how you chat with Facebook support team. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.